up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sera.
And of course, it's your boy, Tuxx.
Okay, guys, this is our third and final flight until we get to our actual destination. But we are off to Rarotonga. Okay, fam, we're about to board our flight. We'll get back to you when we get all settled. Let's go! Okay, fam, oh my gosh, thank you Jesus we got these seats because we needed the leg room, guys. Especially my husband, because like this guy be acting like he's like 7 foot, like honestly.
These chunky legs, bro. It's not happening. Short, chunky legs.
On out, yeah?
Ooh.
And it comes out like that, and then it twists around like that. We're going to watch the
Nice.
safety video first, and then we'll pop it away for takeoff.
Take off,
and
okay.
landing. Okay, so we also have your tray tables on the side here. Okay. So when you take it out, just pull it up with this little thingamajiggy here, and that'll come out.
Okay.
You've got headphones, you might be sitting on some headphones like this, and just plug them in. Just for takeoff and landing, we're going to pop your bags away just for takeoff and landing. So can I take that? Is there everything you need?
Grabbing any duty free? You guys grabbing bottles or something? No, we just came. Can you walk out a carton of cigarettes to me?
You want the what?
Yeah, I want you to walk out a carton of cigarettes. Only one person can take the card. Yeah,
Oh, damn, okay.
10 seconds later.
Honey, look there.
Guys, we've made it. Okay, guys, we made it. Oh my gosh, don't get me started about the immigration line. That was crazy. Like 4 people.
Like
4 people.
we've done a lot of training. We've done a lot
Traveling.
of traveling, and man,
That was crazy. But guys, I'm just happy we made it. Like you guys saw, Tux's brother's here. He came to pick us up with his daughter. We're gonna head back. I don't know what's actually happening.
Hold on. Let's just have
wait.
a take a deep breath. I'm ready for you to. That island air, you can smell the smoke in the air, feel the sea breeze. A bit salty, eh?
It's a bit. It smells like smoke.
It smells like smoke. My bro's got all the smoke, and baby girl. All right, so we're gonna make our way to the car and all that, but yeah. All right, fam.
Oh, honey, this is giving me so much.
Okay. Pop's truck. Uncle Fred. Freddy. Shout Uncle Fred. Your clutch.
Okay,
Baby, look how this is, bro.
I'm too keen. We get to sit at the
She
front.
loves it. She loves it.
Hold this while I jump over.
No. Oh. Okay. Do a good jump. Do a good jump for the family. Oh, Violet Air Force. Violet Air Force. Hawaii. Karate kick into the back and she is in. Great job, Bella. Great job.
Yorana from Rarotonga.
And then do we have like a choo? Oh, nah, we don't do that. Yeah.
Okay guys, this is my first time trying this drink. It's called Fresh Up Harvest Red Apple Fruit Juice drink. Billy got it for us, for me and her uncle. That's good. That's fresh. Hi, I'm Sera. Hello. Hi, Papa Ben. Oh, he's even more skinny. Guys, look, their backyard is a forest. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Hello. Hi, I'm Sera.
Hi, Sarah.
Michaela. Hi, Michaela.
Nice to meet you.
I know, nice to meet you. Guys, we're back with B. So B is Nga, Uncle Nga's beautiful wife.
Rose's sister's son and his sister's wife.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you. Archie and Smell.
Hello.
Hey, darling. How are you?
Good, how are you? So we stink. We stink. We haven't had a shower. Hello, I'm Sera. Okay fam, so we quickly had to dash off. We had to come and check into our hotel before like they closed the reception. We're gonna go check into our place and we're staying here at Club Raro Resort. It's cute. Okay guys, we're finally checking in. Shout out to Gina at the reception. Thanks Gina. Okay, we're gonna go and quickly shower and get ready because the family service is tonight. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Thank you, I didn't get your name. Ua. Shout out to Ua. Look at her dress, guys. I want it. I'm starving. We didn't eat all day. And on the plane we only had like eggs and sausage. It was breakfast. And the chips are good. Amel. This chicken. Let me show you the chicken. Ooh.
$13. 3 pieces of chicken and just chips.
That's alright.
Yeah. Chicken good?
So good. Okay guys, we're gonna eat and quickly eat, and then we're gonna be, by the time we finish eating, we'll be at the family service.
Billie Jean.
Jill.
And Rhoda. I'm going to sing a song for her.
Yeah. With my mum.
Kia ora koutou katoa, ka nui te mihi ki a koutou mō te mātakitaki a mātou ki te maumahara o te ora o Mama Rauru Simpson. Ko te mama a Billie Jean me hua wahine o Nahikura te tama o Rauru. Nō reira, tēnā koutou katoa. We're going to sing I'm Belinda, and I'm going to support Billie Jean, who's the mokopuna of Rauru, sing a waiata on behalf of all her mokopunas. So we've got Michaela over there. So. Kia ora! Rere tō te karere pai. Rere tō te karere pai. Rere tō te karere pai. Rere ngarawara mā te kaukura karere te manu. Karere koe, rere ngarawai. Ka tai atu koe ki te taumata, whakatau mai rai. Mau ana, hui! Mau ana taku aroha, whaia ke inga whetu. Rere tō te karere pai, rere runga rawarai. Rere tō te karere pai.